I'm Dylan, and this song is called The Drug Birds. There's this cute little marijuana bird, you know, that you draw up in your binder, your school binder. And he's just a cool bird, colorful bird. Okay, then you got the acid bird, which isn't really much of a bird at all, but you'll know it when you see it. What kind of bird that I'm talking about. Then you've got the meth bird, my friends. This bird is kind of sneaky. He isn't as fast as the other birds, but meaner and a lot more scary and harder to get rid of. Then you have the recovery bird, which is more like a chicken, a rooster to be exact. The bastard seems to be everywhere you go. Those are the drug birds.